had one of my garage door springs break. So the first thing I need to do is get up here and take down the safety cable and get it off the cable. There's a number of different ways these can attach. In this case, there's just one bolt with a nut clamping the wire. There we go. There's the broken piece. This is how the spring came shipped, folded in half. I'm just going to put that on my cable. Hopefully this will just slide through there without any resistance. There we go. There's a little weight to that spring, so this is going to be a little tricky. I just need to tuck this under this bolt and tighten the nut again. There we go. And then this S-hook I'm going to use to retain the spring against this end of the framework simply by looping it through a hole in the angle iron. And I'll probably end up tightening up this cable a little bit after I get the other cable attached. My pulley on this end was damaged when the spring broke. That spring probably shot down here and hit against it, and looks like it's messed it up pretty good. So I've got a new pulley. There's a washer on the back side. Oh, probably just needs that little spacing because of that overlap there. So we'll put that back in. Okay. Now this cable, it's got a little bend in it there probably from the incident, but the cable looks to be fine. I don't see any broken fibers in it, so I'm going to just try to reuse it here. New pulley on the spring, held on with this U-shaped bracket. There we go. In order to get this cable around the pulley on the spring and hooked back down here, I need to raise the garage door up. See, I'm going to release it from the garage door opener. All right. A little bit heavy without the spring on there. Just safety, because without the springs this could come rolling down. Now this is going to be tricky because I can't get between there with the door up. I just discovered in getting ready to do this that there is a little bit of a broken strand in my cable right here. See that? So I am going to go ahead and replace this cable. The end of the cable has a loop on it that simply fits over this stud. on the side of the door. So I'm just going to thread this up over the pulley and bring it down along the door here. I'll put the loop, like the other one, on that stud. There we go. I gotta loop this over the pulley. The S-hook onto this metal bracket, and the cable is going to thread through this bracket and sort of lock itself in place. And the trouble is here, I don't know how long I need this new cable to be. So that's sort of the way it works to latch it in place. Up through, down through, and back in, and loop it under itself. And that way the tension will keep it there. And this has to hook to the track, to the top of the track down there into that angle iron. I'm doing all this by feel. I can't even see in here. All right. I'm going to run the opener, re-engage the track. Yeah, so it looks pretty good. That worked just fine first try. I got a little extra cable up there that I should cut off. That, I think. But otherwise that's okay. Now, I really should change that one also, because they fatigue over time. That's why that one broke. These aren't necessarily equal tension, and for this door to run properly without any incidents through the years to come, I need to change that spring. That's why they sell them in pairs. So I'm going to get on that, and it's going to work the same way as this one. I hope you find this helpful, and great. See you in my next video.